Yo, what is going on, buddy? CryptoKid here, coming at you again with another video. And guys, in this one, super exciting stuff going on. I really do hope you guys took my advice and bought Chainlink under $16. I literally said in the title, breaking Chainlink, a screaming buy under $16. Chainlink to $20 end of week. Guys, the week's not even over yet, and we're at $21. I really do hope you took that advice. Oh, I just disliked my own video, guys. Don't do that. But hey, if you want to come over, hit subscribe, go ahead, do that. You can do that. So anyways, let's go ahead, do some quick market analysis here. So right now, I'm really just checking out Ethereum. Obviously down a lot on the week. We are at basically like $1,300 over at the high. Around the top was around 1,346 as we're seeing. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be getting back to those levels quite soon. A lot of this is just kind of dependent on what Bitcoin is doing. And obviously today was not the best day for Bitcoin, as we just saw a massive red candle. However, we are starting to see a little bit of a recovery. So I'm saying if Bitcoin does end up going to 38K or so, since Ethereum follows it so closely, we'll probably see a pump in Ethereum as well. Hopefully we'll be seeing, I guess we can go ahead and just calculate it real quick. I'm guessing around 10% or so in the coming day or two, because, I mean, let's go ahead and just do the math. $116 would bring us to right around 1,279 or so. You guys can check my math in the comments, but obviously we've already reached that price in the past. So I'm thinking if you have money in Ethereum, you can at least expect a 10% gain over the next day or two, assuming Bitcoin does keep recovering. And then if you're in some of these altcoins, guys, we are going to see some of them absolutely exploding like Chainlink. If you guys want to know my picks on that, personally, I do like Dash a little bit here, just because we did have this incredible spike here. So either this person knows something we don't know, or this is just kind of bots trying to see if people are going to come into the market and just start buying like crazy at this level and trying to make a quick buck. I'm not really sure which one it was, but I just know that a lot of that resistance was kind of cleared out with this move. So hopefully we can kind of return to at least these levels of around 150 soon. And then my other one would be XTZ, Tezos, which follows Chainlink. Oh, we just went to euros, guys. Hey, for all my subscribers in Europe, I'm sure you appreciate that. XTZ to USD, though, we did see a little bit of a spike here, but since Tezos is so closely correlated with Cosmos and Chainlink, I'm expecting a pretty good rise from Tezos as well. Over the next day or two, it's got some catching up to do as well. And then my other thing is going to be Algorand, if you guys know that. I'm pretty sure I made a video about it in the past. But this is a project that does have a whole lot of catching up to do. I know I just said that about Tezos, but if we want to check it out, some similar coins to it. I mean, XTC is obviously a pretty fair comparison to Algorand in terms of tech. So we have a $2.1 billion market cap versus only a $560 million market cap. So I'm honestly looking for 200 to 300% gains from Algo within the next 2 or 3 months. I know that's kind of crazy, but we've obviously seen crazier this year, already up 6.24% on the day. Ethereum Classic is a bit of a risky play right now, so I'll be avoiding that. And then Uniswap, I think if you're not already on it, you kind of miss the boat for the major gains. Obviously, more can be down the line, but I think it's best you look somewhere else. So regardless, let's get right back into what we are talking about. So what is my play? What are my top 3 coins going forward? Well, of course, this is a little bit dependent on what you're already holding. I say if you hold Chainlink, you just kind of rock with it and hope that it can climb to the $25, $30 range. And ultimately, I do think it's going to $40 this year. If you don't hold Chainlink, I'm not a financial advisor, but what I would personally do if I didn't hold Chainlink is just be patient with it. Of course, there's a possibility that it can go up further, but you kind of just have to hope that it ends up falling below $19 like it was at earlier today. And it looks like it is starting to descend now. So don't FOMO in. That's how you lose money. Every time I FOMO'd into a coin, I've lost. I'm not kidding. I've not won a single time I FOMO'd into a coin. So make sure you're just kind of keeping your emotions in check. So regardless, Chainlink is my number 1 coin to hold at the moment. And that is based on if you're already holding it. I wouldn't recommend getting in at these ultra high prices right now. But however, if you did, I don't think it would be the dumbest move in the world. I'm just kind of expecting a pullback. That's why I say that. My second coin I already mentioned earlier is Ethereum. Ethereum, extremely undervalued in my opinion personally. Obviously, the supply is infinite. A lot of people don't like that, but it's not like they're not gonna dump the supply on us any minute. So although it's not a fully realized market cap or anything like that, Ethereum has some of the best technology in the space, and it's only getting better. The ETH 2.0 launch, and if we do get any news on that, could be absolutely euphoric for Ethereum. We could see a massive rise. I'm honestly still expecting a 2 to 3x from Ethereum in the future. We can see it's at $133 billion market cap. I'm expecting Bitcoin to climb to at least 1 trillion this year. Man, that sounds absolutely crazy to say, but Bitcoin at 1 trillion, I do think we'll eventually see Ethereum at the $300 to $500 million range at least. So obviously that'll be some huge gains for all Ethereum investors, and who knows what ETH 2.0 is going to do. For the third coin, we are going to switch it up a little bit. Let's just keep going down until we find it. It's going to be Vechain. I don't talk about Vechain enough, but obviously it's the supply chain coin. If you guys didn't know, this is one that really could be a part of the future. People are already starting to use it. As we can see, what is Vechain? It's a blockchain-powered supply chain platform. Oh, you say that 3 times fast. Begun in 2015 and launched in 2016, Vechain aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things IoT technology to create an ecosystem which solves some of the major problems with supply chain management. So you guys can pause the screen or whatever if you want to keep reading. But regardless, Vechain did not have the absolute best week. Obviously, we did see a little bit of, not necessarily a dump, but it didn't do super well this week. So this is one that I'm looking to bounce back. I'm basically just trading off of fundamentals right now, as opposed to anything else. If we can just kind of look it up real quick, put in VET, just kind of look at some of this data real quick. Sorry for the wait there, but on the 1 week, it's down about 13%. So when you see a coin that has fundamentals, already has, what's the word I'm looking for? It's escaping me, but it already has the fundamentals that are going to take it the distance and be one of these coins that ends up surviving. It's in a bull run especially. It's just silly not to invest in a coin like Vechain, especially given that it's down this month. So we ended up peaking out over 3 cents, basically like 3.11, 3.2 at the max, and then we've obviously kind of gone down since then. But I am expecting a full retrace all the way up to basically yearly highs. I can't remember. I guess this is all-time highs too. So yeah, Vechain is just definitely my third coin for that. I'll probably make a video explaining it more in depth later. Sorry I didn't really do it justice in explaining it super well on the fly. But regardless, those are my top 3 coins for right now. Obviously, these change every single day, so I'll be sure to update if anything does changes that is major. But yeah, that's what I'm rocking with right now. Let me know in the comments what your picks are. We are trading on fundamentals above everything right now. Things are looking good. Things are looking up. I think if you were able to make some profits with Chainlink, you can go ahead and check out some other projects. And if you missed the Chainlink run, don't worry. There will be more gains in the future. The bull run is just beginning. We're going to have a year of fun. So thank you guys all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.